Chapter number 3. Create a project.
And when I say a new project, this means that it's your video you're about to work on. So earlier we saw that we have some libraries over here on the left, but when I talk about a project, the projects are inside the libraries. So actually I'm working on that one, which is the video you're looking at right now. So it's Final Cut Pro tutorial, first steps for beginners. Well, the project is over here. That's the video you're looking at just right now. So now if I want to create a new project, I will go on File, New Project. And remember that shortcut over here, that's Command N for new. And I'm gonna hit that. And here we're gonna have to input some settings for that project.
Be organized. Give a name to the project. Select the event if needed. That could be useful for a library with multiple projects in it. For example, I've got this library for one of my customers, and inside the library there is many events. So usually when that customer asks me for a new job, I have to make several videos. So I create an event for those videos. This way, few months or years later, when I want to come back to a project, it's easier to find. Timecode. If you don't know what this is, you probably don't need it. I personally never use it on Final Cut, so I don't have much to say about it. Choose the video resolution. Most common is 1080p, 4K, or vertical. For this, you should choose the video resolution you used on your camera. If you need advice on this topic, please see the video number 2 in the description. Then you will need to choose the frame rate. This one you really need to make sure it matches the one of the videos you will import. I don't care if you film in 24, 25, 30 or 60 frames per second, that's totally up to you. But just make sure you stick to it. If you need advice on this topic, please see the video number 3 in the description. Next, rendering. Apple ProRes is a video codec that creates huge file size, but is very easy to read for your computer. Most of the video files you will import on your timeline, like H.264 for example, are designed to be shared, not to be edited. So when you will do your rendering, and we will come back on this later, Final Cut will create an Apple ProRes version of that video. Basically, this doesn't change anything to the final result. I encourage you to take Apple ProRes 422 LT as it's the lightest codec available. You can see the video number 4 to know more about that topic. Then, the audio. If you're new into video editing, probably that stereo will be your pick. Stereo means 2 channels, left and right. Otherwise, you can go to surround to add more sound channels. The 48 kHz sample rate is probably fine for you, but if your device records at a higher rate, you might want to increase to not lose any quality of what you have already recorded.
Finally, we can end this by hitting the OK button, and the project is now created. You can see here the project potato is just right here. If I double click on it, I can start working on it.
That video was only a chapter of a bigger video about video editing with Final Cut. And you can see it just right there. Hey, see you there. See ya.